Good evening, everyone. This is Unit 6 of IAL Chemistry. In this session, I'll discuss question 1 with you. The first part, first question, compound A is a green solid which contains one cation and one anion. A sample of a compound A was dissolved in a distilled water which is forming a green solution. An aqueous sodium hydroxide was added to solution A until there was no further change. A pale blue precipitates are formed and a yellow solution C is formed. The pale blue precipitate was separated and tested. B dissolved in excess of aqueous ammonia which form a deep blue solution and form in a complex ion D identified by name or formula B. So this gives an idea because it was blue precipitate are due to copper hydroxide, and a complex is formed, but this time it form a complex with reacting with ammonia. So means the water molecules are some of the water molecules are displaced by ammonia as a ligand. So the precipitate formula, that is copper hydroxide, and the complex which is formed here in which it contain ammonium ammonia ions as well as water, and there should be a charge. Why? Because it is a solution. So when there is a solution, if it was a solid, then it should not have any charge, but it's a solution, so there must be a charge. When another portion of B was heated, it turned, so it means copper hydroxide is heated. When we heat metal oxide, it forms metal oxide plus water vapor, so it turned into copper oxide. Excess of concentrated hydrochloric acid was added to a portion of B and the mixture was warmed. The precipitate dissolved to form a different yellow solution E. So basically a ligand exchange, it form a complex with copper now, with chlorine now, and because it's a solution, so there must be a charge. Each chlorine is -1, so 4 chloride -2 4, and copper is +2, so the total charge will be -2 on this. The yellow solution C was tested. 5 cm cube of dilute sulfuric acid was added to the same volume of C and the mixture turned orange. So when we add an acid turned orange, originally it is yellow, so it gives an idea that there is chromate and dichromate ion, because that only changes the color from yellow to orange or orange to yellow when there is acidic or alkaline condition. Then ethanol is added to orange mixture and was heated gently. The mixture turned green, so it means it confirmed that there is a chromium ion. That's why it turned from orange to green. Identify by name or formula the ion responsible for color observed. Yellow color of solution C. So yellow color of solution C, that is the chromate ion. Orange color, that is dichromate ion. Because when we add an acid, the equilibrium is shifted. And the green color, that's chromium. You can also write the complex of a chromium as well. If you're writing a complex, you don't have to write charge on chromium, then net charge you will write at the on the square bracket. Suggest a name or formula organic product formed in the green. So if chromium is reduced, the other substance is oxidized. So ethanol will oxidize to, as we added here ethanol, so it will oxidize to ethanol. Why not ethanoic acid? Why we are not writing ethanoic acid? Because you can mention ethanoic acid, but chromium ion, when you have potassium manganate or acidified potassium manganate, it is a good reducing agent as compared to that of chromate and dichromate. So likely it will turn into aldehyde, but you can mention ethanoic acid as well. Give the name or formula compound A. So what is the name or the formula of the compound A? So we identify there is copper was there, as well as chromate is also there. So it is actually copper chromate, or copper to chromate. So copper is +2, chromate is -2. So copper to chromate ion, and copper to chromate the compound. Give a possible reason why compound A is green. So copper is blue, responsible for blue, and chromate or responsible for yellow. So the combination of the color is giving them, or it appear as a green color. So the reason mainly is because of the combination of the two colors result in a green substance. So this was unit 6. In the next session, I'll discuss another question from this unit.